networking and security capability means. Public cloud providers can allow you to deploy applications incredibly securely if you wish to embrace requiring the need to profoundly alter architectural, security, operational, and organizational changes, right? And that's a hard part for most people to get their arms around. And ultimately, you need to deal with technology and memes and topics that we have for the last 15 years kind of been banging into, wherein a lot of this technology is nascent. It was, again, solutions looking for a problem. But ultimately, we have a lot of the key technologies available to us. You need to pressure your vendors and pressure your providers to start building them into products, right? So, to use a play on words, it really does take a village here. It takes the cooperation between providers. There was a guy back in kind of Russian history. I think he was an ambassador of sort. His name was Potemkin. And Catherine the Great wanted to take a tour of her countryside because she wanted to see how awesome people thought of her. So what they did was essentially had the villagers, because it was about prosperity, she wanted to feel good about herself, they had the villagers stand up entire fake village fronts that basically gave the illusion that everything was awesome. Right, that everything was just perfect and smiley. And at this point, that's kind of where we are today with the cloud, right? We look at these shiny, awesome use cases that don't talk about the things that matter most to us, and we don't have a lot of the tools. So ultimately, do me a favor, if you want to learn more about cloud and cloud security, go to the Cloud Security Alliance, download the guidance, get a grasp on what's different and what's the same. You can participate in Cloud Security Alliance as well as Cloud Audit, which is a project that I lead that's bringing transparency and visibility into cloud providers. It gives you a lot of this capability to understand how the infrastructure that's abstracted is managed and ultimately acted upon by your providers. So thanks very much for listening. My contact info is here. I think the updated version of this, the one I just presented, will be on the DVD. If not, it'll be at my blog, and you can download it from there. So I'm actually technically out of time, but I'll be available if you have any questions, comments, or want to hurl fruit at me later. Thanks very much.